Hello sir, welcome once again to the new video by Flash Trade 1. In this video, we will discuss a unique and new indicator by Flash Trade 1, which is position and risk size calculator, with which we can manage the trade more efficiently, effectively and cautiously. Okay, so without wasting more time, let me discuss that how this indicator works. This is AUD/USD chart. You can check that, and I am adding an indicator over here. Okay, and I am adding an indicator. I have added an indicator here. Let me go first to the main. Clicking on main. First, here is the entry. Here you can long or short. You can choose that either you want to long the entry or you want to short the entry. Here I would like to long my entry. Here stop loss I would like to place is, one second, I'm adding the stop loss here. I will add my stop loss to 50. Okay, I'm putting my TP to 0.7000. Okay, I want to place an instant. Okay, if it is I want to put the pending order, then I would choose here pending, but right now I want to place the trade instant. Okay, this hide lines and show lines means you on chart you would be able to see the SL and TP with lines. Okay, if I will hide the lines, then it will go. If I will show the lines, then the lines will be visible. Commission here will be is the commission charged by your broker. So at this point you can think that how precisely and minutely this broker is working, because it is counting the broker commission too. Let me put here 10. Okay, my account balance is 9,414, which came automatically. Here risk, the main part is the risk. Here I'm adding a risk here 5%. Okay, so if I am adding a risk 5%, and in USD it will be 470. In the same way, if I am choosing here the risk in USD, okay, let me take here 200 risk on my capital. Okay, then my risk will be changed to 2%. So you can use either you can enter your risk in percentage, or you can enter the risk in USD. Now with changing the risk, your lot size will change accordingly. Check here, with 2% risk and $200 loss, you can place the trade with 0.7. Okay, now I want to place the trade here with one lot. Okay, let me put here one lot. Okay, so see, my risk changed to 3% and my risk in USD changed to $250. So you can either place the lot size based on the risk, or you can set the risk and get your lot size. So you can use it in either of the way. Okay, now let me move, and with this setting I am placing a trade. Okay, I'm placing a trade, and you can see that the order is placed automatically. I don't even want to, I have not gone even to the new order too. Okay, now let's move to the risk. In risk, with current portfolio, you would be able to see the conclusion you have set in the main. Okay, in main I have set my position lot size 1. You can check that here size is 1. My SL was 69505. You can check my SL is 69505. TP 7,000. Okay, and my risk is 2% and $266. Now check in this risk. The lot size is 2, risk is 2.6%, and risk in USD is 246. So whatever settings I have done in main, I will see the conclusion in current portfolio. What will be the potential portfolio? Potential portfolio will show you the risk associated with the pending orders. Okay, it is not with the current orders. Current portfolio will show you the risk portfolio of your open trades. Okay, let's move to the margin. Then in position margin is the margin used by your current trade. Means I have placed my buy AUD/USD signal with one lot, then my margin use is 139. Future used margin is the margin used by the pending orders, and future free margin is the margin available right now. Leverage is by default right now 1:500, and maximum lot size that I can put right now with this capital is 50. Okay, now if I will change the leverage to 200, see, my maximum position lot size change to 26%, my margin margin used will change, future margin which future used margin will be changed, and future free margin will also be changed. Now let me put here 1000. See, I can now trade. Okay, 1 second. See, right now my position margin changed to $87, future used margin changed to $226, and future free margin now changed to $9168. So based on my leverage, these all parameters will be changed automatically. If you have any query regarding this indicator, then you can ask us, because this indicator have everything that a trader needs during his trading. Okay, so you can ask us for how to get this indicator, or you can ask the query that how to use this indicator, or you can chat with us, you can call with us anytime. Take care, goodbye.